When the job demands power, precision, and performance, KAGE Innovation delivers. From the toughest winter storms to rugged terrain management, KAGE attachments are engineered to take your skid steer to the next level. Meet the SnowFire Snowplow series, the SnowFire, SnowFire Blast, and SnowFire Xtreme. Designed for speed and efficiency, these snowplows and pushers let you clear more ground in less time, maximizing your productivity when the pressure is on. With KAGE's dual-purpose plow and pusher systems, switch seamlessly between pushing and backdragging in seconds. No need for extra machines or multiple passes. Get ultimate traction in the harshest conditions with KAGE Klawz skid steer snow tires. Engineered for superior grip and stability, these tires keep you moving when the competition is stuck. Beyond winter, KAGE Innovation brings versatility to your skid steer with the Greater Bar land plane. Whether you're leveling gravel, grading dirt, or repairing roads, the Greater Bar gives you unmatched control and precision. Stay ahead of icy conditions, dust, weeds, and insects with the Liquid Rage sprayer. Designed for fast and effective liquid application, this system keeps invasive species and unsavory ground conditions under control. No matter the season, no matter the job, KAGE Innovation has the tools to get it done. Elevate your skid steer. Dominate your worksite. Choose KAGE. Visit KAGEinnovation.com to learn more and find your perfect skid steer attachment today.